In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add music to your Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. After that, just tap at that plus sign to start creating a story. I'm just gonna choose a random short video. You can select your own video, or you can also use photo or camera to take a picture. Once we've done that, all we have to do in order to add music to our story is tap right here at that stickers icon and then search for music sticker. Here it is. If we tap on it, we'll be able to choose any song from that big list. Right here you can check recommendation, it says for you. However, we can go to browse to search for a song from that different categories like date night, R&B and soul, pop and others. And also we can search for some music by their name or by artist name. Let's say I want to search for Linkin Park. So in this way we can add music to our story, and once we've done that, we can tap at that icon or at that icon to show the album cover, or we can add some lyrics in that way. Also, by dragging it left or right, we can choose the exact part of the song we would like to add to our story. And then once we've done that, also we can change the color for our lyrics, and then we can just tap and at done, and after that we can continue editing our story. We can add another stickers, we can add there some text, some effects, and once we've done with that, just tap right here to share your story with your followers. That's how you can easily add music to your Instagram story.